Our dual display ZenBook Duo series has been extremely well received, thanks to the extra screen space it offers. Now we want to bring that ScreenPad Plus experience to an even wider audience, not just more laptops, but even desktops. And the ProArt PA147CDV does just that, bringing the same 14-inch 32:9 1920x550 IPS panel with 400 nits to any system. And our monitor team is proud to announce that it just won one of only 3 Computex Design and Innovation Gold Awards. This portable ProArt display comes with an industry standard 100% sRGB and 100% Rec 709 color gamut, is Calman Verified and factory calibrated for a guaranteed color accuracy of delta E below 2. It comes with full-size HDMI and 2 full-function USB Type-C ports that can both power and feed the display a video signal at the same time. Despite the unusual ultra-wide aspect ratio, it works with a large number of devices, from laptops and desktops to cameras and even phones. A built-in ergonomic kickstand with a patented mechanical design lets you adjust the PA147 seamlessly to almost any angle for the perfect viewing and touch experience. And using it with a stylus or setting up vertically for coding is a thing as well. The 10-point multi-touch layer offers a highly accurate and ultra-responsive touch experience, and with MPP 2.0 support, you can use an ASUS pen to take notes or work on your content wherever and whenever inspiration strikes. We also upgraded the ASUS Dial compared to our other portable ProArt monitor and made it slightly bigger and easier to reach. It enables precise tactile feedback and the same functionality as our other dials, such as on the StudioBook 16. The ProArt PA147 also comes with our control panel app, now bringing our customizable deck of buttons, dials, and sliders to any laptop and even to desktops. So, whether you're frequently relocating your setup or you just want to have that ultra-wide touchscreen as an accessory on your workstation, or maybe combine several of them for an ultimate display setup tailored to your needs, the ProArt PA147 enables you to streamline your workflow in ways you probably haven't even considered until today.